If you guys been watching, you know I got the new LG G7 ThinQ phone. I'm really liking it, and now I have broken it. Can you see that? It's broke. So I also have Verizon's insurance coverage that's supposed to be $29.99 for a screen replacement for this. That's why I bought it. I pay $13 a month for the insurance, and if I drop it and break the screen, I've got $29.99. I get a new screen for my phone. But guess what? I didn't get a new screen for my phone, even though they told me I would. I went into Verizon, and to their credit, they made it right. After I was on the phone with Asurian for about an hour talking to supervisors and trying to find out why I'm not covered and just being told that I'm not covered. And went in, called Verizon and was told that I'm not covered. And then when I finally went in to the people who sold me the coverage, who told me I was going to be covered, they sent me a new phone. So apparently they must not have the screens available for the phone yet. But I was never really given a good excuse until I finally got on the website and did some researching, and it says the phone is not eligible. So if you have one of these, don't expect a $29 screen replacement no matter what kind of insurance you have, because your phone is not eligible for that coverage. So as she's been so kind to point out to me, it's also called the ThinQ because of Korea, and their English speakers thought that was a good play on words to say thank you. So, you know, when they pronounce thank you, it's ThinQ. So, don't despair. I mean, it doesn't mean that they're never going to offer screen replacements for this phone. I think because it's such a new phone that they haven't yet, and probably in the future they're going to start offering it when the replacement screens become more available. But keep a case on your phone. I had one of those screen protector, the tempered glass screen protectors, and it busted it too. So until they get some readily available cheap screens, keep a protector on your phone. And thanks for watching.